Have you ever wondered why saving money always feels so boring? Why it sounds like something that steals your fun instead of giving you more of it? Why people talk about saving like it's a punishment or a struggle? But what if saving could actually be fun, exciting, even something you look forward to every day? What if I told you saving money can be as fun as spending it? What if I told you that it's not about what you can't do, but what you get to do differently? What if saving became your new game, your new challenge, your new way to feel proud and powerful every single day? Because the truth is most people never save because they think it's too hard, too slow, too boring, or too serious. They feel like they have to give up everything they love. They imagine a life full of no's and limits, and that idea makes them run away from saving before they even try. And maybe that's how you feel too. Maybe you've tried saving before and it didn't last. You started with hope, but stopped because it felt like a chore. It felt lonely or pointless, or like you were punishing yourself while everyone else was having fun. And that's okay, because today, everything can change. Today you'll learn how to make saving money feel light, fun, simple, and something you'll want to keep doing forever. And this isn't just advice, it's a way of life, a mindset, a trick that many successful and happy people use every single day to make money their friend, not their fear. And it starts with one idea: make saving feel like a reward, not a rule. Treat it like a game, not a task, and give it purpose, not pressure. And how do you do that? First, start by setting a small, fun goal, not a boring one, like just save money, but something exciting like save for a day at the beach, or save for my dream phone, or save to treat my parents to dinner. When your goal has meaning, your saving has power. And now break that goal into tiny steps. If your goal is to save 3,000, maybe you save 100 every few days, and you celebrate each small win. And yes, I mean celebrate. Smile, clap, give yourself a happy sticker, mark a star on a chart, or just say to yourself, I did it, because every small win deserves love. And now here comes the fun part. Turn saving into a daily game. Every day, ask yourself, how can I save 10 today? What can I skip, change, or trade that still makes me happy but costs less? Maybe instead of buying a cold drink, you drink water and save that 80. Maybe instead of going out, you invite friends over and cook something fun together, and now you just saved 500 and had fun too. And you feel proud, not poor, and each time you do this, your brain gets a little rush of joy, because it loves small wins, it loves challenges, and it loves progress, and saving becomes a part of your happy routine. And here's a fun trick. Give your savings a name. Yes, name your saving jar or account something cute or cool, like My Joy Fund, or Power Stash, or Dream Vault, because when you name it, you connect with it. You see it as a friend, not a boring bank account. And suddenly, every time you add money, you feel like you're feeding your dreams, not just storing money. And if you love visuals, make a chart, a drawing, or a tracker on your wall or phone. Color it in as you save. Watch it grow, and trust me, seeing your progress makes you feel alive, strong, and excited to keep going. And if you love fun apps, try money-saving games where you track and compete with yourself, because making it playful makes it powerful. And don't forget to create a fun reward system. For example, every time you reach a small target, reward yourself with something small that brings joy without breaking the budget. Maybe a treat, a short walk, a fun video, or even just quiet time with music. because rewards keep you going. They remind you that saving is giving, not taking away. And here's a life hack you'll love. Use the roundup method. Every time you spend, round it up and save the change. So if something costs 430, pretend it cost 500 and save that 70. It's small, but adds up fast, and you don't even feel it. And now let's talk about people around you. Saving is more fun with others, so challenge a friend or sibling who can save more this week. Share tips, laugh about it, celebrate together, and grow together. And don't forget, saving is not about being cheap. It's about being smart. You are not cutting fun. You are creating peace, control, and freedom, because every coin you save is a seed you plant. And one day it will grow into something beautiful. Maybe a trip, a new skill, a safety net, or even just the joy of knowing you are in control. And here's the secret. Once saving becomes fun, you won't want to stop. It becomes part of who you are, and it builds your confidence, your habits, and your future. And if anyone tells you that saving is boring, smile, because you now know the truth. You've learned to save with joy, and that's a gift most people never find. And when you feel tired or tempted to give up, remind yourself why you started. Remember that small steps matter, that every saved coin is a quiet victory, and that no amount is too small, because saving is not about big money, it's about big mindset. And you already have that mindset. You are already growing, and maybe some days will be harder. Maybe you'll skip a day, or spend more than you wanted. But don't give up. Just restart. Just begin again. Because the journey is not perfect. It's personal, and you are doing great. So take a deep breath, smile, and say, I'm proud of myself, because you should be. And if you ever feel stuck, just go back to the fun, back to the game, back to the reason you started, and let that feeling lift you. And now here's a short story. A girl once saved every 10 she got, putting it in a jar. No one noticed. No one believed it would grow. But after 1 year, she had enough to start her small business. And today she's independent, happy, and still saving every day, because she made saving fun, and that joy carried her to success. And that can be your story too. And maybe today you save only 5, maybe tomorrow 50, but one day you'll look at what you've built and feel so proud, so strong, because it all started with one small step and one big decision to make saving fun and easy. And the life lesson is this. Saving is not a burden. It's a gift you give to your future self. And the moral is simple. When you learn to enjoy saving, you start to enjoy life more, because you feel free, in control, and ready for anything. And if this video made you smile, made you think, or gave you a new way to look at money, then please like this video, subscribe to our channel How to Grow, and share your favorite saving tip in the comments, because your voice can help someone else start their own fun saving journey. And together we don't just save money, we grow, we rise, and we build lives full of joy, peace, and purpose.